Good morning, students. Today we will start new chapter, that is redox reaction. So today we will discuss about redox reaction. So first of all, what is redox reaction? Redox means red plus ox. Red plus ox means red means reduction and ox means oxidation. So finally, the reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place is known as redox reaction. Definition of redox reaction: a reaction in which oxidation and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously is known as redox reaction. So here example of oxidation redox reaction is zinc plus copper sulfate. Here the oxidation state of copper is +2 and the oxidation number of zinc is 0. So after chemical reaction, zinc converted into zinc sulfate, in which the oxidation number of zinc is +2 and the copper means a solid copper. Here copper is aqueous form and zinc is solid form, but in product copper is solid form and zinc is aqueous form. So here the oxidation number of zinc is +2, but the oxidation number of copper is 0. So the oxidation number of zinc converted into 0 to +2 means increasing in oxidation number, and the oxidation number of copper is +2 to 0 means oxidation number of copper change from +2 to 0 means oxidation number decreases. So here definition of oxidation and reduction in terms of some points, like in terms of oxygen or electronegative atom or element, and the second definition of oxidation and reduction reaction in terms of hydrogen, or we can say electropositive atom in case of non-metal. And the third definition is oxidation number. Oxidation number also we discussed 0 +2 +2 0. These numbers are oxidation number of atom, means zinc and copper. And the fourth one is electron. In terms of electron, the definition of oxidation and reduction. So let us go, we will discuss about oxidation and reduction reaction definition in terms of, first in terms of oxygen atom or electronegative atom. So oxidation and reduction, here this is one is oxidation reaction and this one is reduction reaction. So first of all, definition of oxidation reaction in terms of electronegative or oxygen atom. So oxidation, the word oxidation means addition of oxygen. Oxidation means addition of oxygen, and the reduction, opposite of oxidation, means removal of oxygen. Addition of oxygen or addition of electronegative element, and the reduction means removal of oxygen atom or removal of electronegative element. So here definition of oxidation reaction is a reaction in which addition of oxygen or electronegative element to chemical species takes place is known as oxidation reaction. Here we can say oxygen or electronegative atom, both are same here. And the reduction, a reaction in which removal of oxygen, here addition of oxygen in case of oxidation reaction, and the here in case of reduction reaction, removal of oxygen or electronegative element from chemical species. From chemical species takes place is known as reduction reaction. So here some examples of oxidation and reduction reaction, like C+O2 means the combustion of carbon is known as is an example of oxidation reaction, and the conversion of water into hydrogen and oxygen. So here oxygen is removed from hydrogen atom. Here in reactant, oxygen atom is combined with a hydrogen atom, but in product hydrogen atoms are single, means in elemental form, and oxygen are also in elemental form. So here from hydrogen atom removal of oxygen takes place, then we can say here the reduction of hydrogen atom takes place, or reduction of hydrogen element takes place. Here removal of oxygen from carbon element takes place, so we can say the reduction of carbon atom here takes place. So this is about of example of oxidation and reduction reaction in terms of addition of oxygen or electronegative element. And redox reaction is important reaction in our chemistry and daily life. Like we will use cell. So cell like electrochemical cell, electrolytic cell. Electrochemical cell means the cell in which chemical energy converted into electrical energy, and we got energy. So in every cell the reduction reaction is responsible for the generation of energy. So reduction reaction is important reaction. Now let us discuss about definition of oxidation and reduction reaction in terms of some other points. So second definition is the in terms of hydrogen or electropositive element. So hydrogen is also electropositive element for non-metal element, but in case of metal, hydrogen is electronegative element. So here one thing also remember, hydrogen is not always electronegative or electropositive element. Electropositive element in case of non-metal, and electropositive element in case of non-metal, and electronegative element in case of metals. So here definition of oxidation reaction, the reaction in which removal of electropositive element, or we can say hydrogen atom, from the chemical species takes place is known as oxidation reaction. So any reaction in which element or atom remove electron, then this reaction is known as oxidation reaction. Like example, H2S converted into H2 plus S. So here the oxidation number of sulfur is -2, but here the oxidation number of sulfur is 0. So here the sulfur get reduced, get oxidized. Here -2 to 0, -2 to -1, -1 to 0. So here the oxidation number increases, means sulfur 2 minus convert into sulfur 0. So here the conversion of -2 to 0 takes place by the removal of hydrogen atom. So we can say the conversion of H2S into H2 and S is a example of oxidation reaction. And now other one is reduction reaction, a reaction in which chemical species, a reaction in which addition of hydrogen or electropositive element to chemical species takes place is known as reduction reaction. Here this reaction is oxidation reaction, but this reaction both are same but opposite in direction. So conversion of sulfur into hydrogen sulfide means H2S is an example of reduction reaction in which the sulfur get reduced. Here the oxidation number of sulfur is 0, but in product the oxidation number of sulfur is -2. Because hydrogen lose 1 electron means 2 hydrogen lose 2 electron, and sulfur got 2 electrons. That means the sulfur having -2 charge. And the third term is electron, means the definition of oxidation and reduction reaction in terms of electron. So oxidation, the reaction in which atom or ion lose one or more electron is known as oxidation reaction. So electrons are loses by atom or ion both. So here the example is sodium converted into sodium plus ion. The atomic number of sodium is 11. Sodium oxidation means atomic number of sodium is 11, means sodium atom contain 11 electron. So here sodium converted into sodium plus by the removal of 1 electron. Here the oxidation number of sodium is plus 1, but the sodium in the reactant is 0. Here the plus 1 oxidation of sodium by the removal of 1 electron. Same here magnesium converted into magnesium 2 plus ion by the removal of 2 electron. So here the oxidation number of magnesium is 0, but in product the oxidation number of magnesium is plus 2. So this is the example of oxidation reaction in terms of electron. And in case of reduction reaction, the reaction in which atom or ion gain electron or electrons is known as reduction reaction. Here sodium plus ion accept 1 electron and get converted into sodium solid. Means here the oxidation number of sodium is 0, but here the oxidation number of sodium is plus 1. So any species which have charge means plus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Then the oxidation number of this metal is equal to the number of charge. Like here the magnesium atom contain plus 2 charge. So here the oxidation number of magnesium is plus 2, but here magnesium do not have any charge, therefore the oxidation number of this magnesium will be 0. So this is about oxidation and reduction reaction in terms of electron, means removal of electron or addition of electron. And the fourth term of oxidation and reduction reaction is oxidation number. In terms of oxidation number or oxidation state, both we can say generally represented by OS, means oxidation state. Like here the oxidation number of sodium is plus 1, so here the OS is equal to plus 1 for the sodium plus ion. Like here magnesium 2 plus ion, so OS is equal to plus 2, means the oxidation state of magnesium is plus 2. So oxidation number and oxidation state both are same. So here the definition in terms of oxidation number or oxidation state, the reaction in which the oxidation of chemical species increases. The oxidation state of chemical species increases. Any reaction in which oxidation number increases of element or atom is known as oxidation reaction, and the opposite of oxidation reaction means decrease in oxidation number or oxidation state is known as reduction reaction. So here sodium plus H2 converted into sodium hydride. So here the oxidation number of sodium is 0, but the oxidation number of sodium in product is plus 1. So in reactant both have 0 oxidation state, but in product the sodium has oxidation number plus 1 and the hydrogen atom has oxidation number minus 1. So another example is magnesium converted into magnesium 2 plus by the removal of 2 electron. So here oxidation number of magnesium is 0, means magnesium has no any charge, therefore the oxidation number of magnesium is 0, but here magnesium ion contain 2 plus charge, therefore the oxidation number of magnesium is plus 2 by the removal of 2 electron. And here the reaction in which oxidation state of chemical species decreases, means here the magnesium plus 2 means the oxidation number of magnesium is plus 2. By addition of 2 electron, the oxidation number of magnesium decreases from plus 2 to 0. So here we see the oxidation number decreases. So chemical reaction in which oxidation number increases, oxidation reaction, and the chemical species in which decreasing in oxidation number takes place is known as reduction reaction. So here, to better understand oxidation and reduction reaction, we draw a line like this, and here write number like here. Center means 0, in above of 0 plus oxidation number needed, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5. Here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. So here sulfur, suppose sulfur atom converted into sulfur 2 minus ion by addition of 2 electron. So here addition of electron takes place, 2 minus. So here the oxidation number of sulfur is 0, but the oxidation number of sulfur in product is minus 2. So oxidation number decreases. So here we draw two lines like this, one towards the bottom and another one is upper side, top to bottom, bottom to top. So here we can say the oxidation number plus 1 plus 4 means in this direction the oxidation number decreases. So oxidation number decreases means reduction reaction, and the oxidation number increases. Suppose minus 5 converted into minus 4 or plus 1 plus 2 etc. or 0. Any atom, suppose we are having atom or element having 0 oxidation state, but in reaction converted into 0 to plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. then here the oxidation number increases takes place. So here we can say this is a oxidation reaction. So this is the diagram to better understand oxidation and reduction reaction in terms of oxidation number.